Alright, just wanted to do a very short video saying to all of you that Surface Forge 1.0 is live and it's available for everybody that's already purchased it on Fab, Gumroad, ArtStation, or on Patreon. You will have it available also on my own website. You can just download this now if you want. Surface Forge 1.0, it's just a massive upgrade over 0.7. You're going to have this material showcase level that just kind of explains sort of like everything that you're going to get with it, like mesh painting, vertex painting, leaks, drips, droplets. Honestly, so many different features with the new Surface Forge. You're going to have triplanar projection, local projection, curvature maps, slope material, snow material with slopes and water puddles, and one of the most intricate parallax occlusion mapping systems that actually holds very well even at a very low angle on low steps, displacement, non-displacement. Honestly, I could go on forever, but I don't want to bore you with this video. I've got like a longer form video in which I'm going to go through properly, but I just wanted to tell you that it's live, and in here you're also going to have like a showcase map, which is an upgrade to the previous showcase map for Surface Forge, and this is actually quite an expansive change. Performance, I mean, it's not bad, honestly, considering there's like 3-layer blending on all of this stuff, but I think you can develop some extremely high fidelity environments using the Surface Forge. You've got displacement everywhere, parallax occlusion mapping. You can combine the two, decals with all sorts of angle fade systems. I mean, look at this decal here, right? This is a decal example. The decal itself right now is got sort of like puddles, and this one is completely wet because it's got like droplets, and it's also got I think like ripples. I think ripples are not enabled, but anyway, you get the idea. And if you look over here, for example, you can see like puddles again. And I believe, yeah, I can select this decal, and I can go over here and just say, you know what, I want puddles, and I also want puddle ripples. Here you go, nice ripples. Then maybe I want some puddle waves. You can see the waves there, and maybe I want droplets, but droplets, there's nothing to spawn them on right now. But that's something that's featured in this, and this is the decal puddle mode. You can do this for all the decals in the level. I could, for example, take the ripples off, and then you can see those waves. Obviously, they're moving a bit fast right now, but there's always room for improvement to make them smaller. But yeah, as I said, it's very expansive material with, I mean, the general cost is about 230 instructions for 1 layer, and if you go to 3 layers, it's about 550 instructions. But that's like 3-layer blending. You can also add a curvature layer, you can add a snow layer, a slope layer, puddle layer, and all of that is also paintable, masking, slope-based, angle-based, curvature-based. Yeah, it's, and it cannot, you don't have to only use it for like environment meshes. You can use it on characters, robots, things like that, because it gives you so many different avenues. And I am planning on doing an upgrade in 1.1 with some additional layers like rust and things like that, and dirt and grime and stuff like that I'm going to add in. It didn't make the cut this time around because I've already added like, honestly, 20 more features on it as opposed to what originally planned. So I needed to just kind of get it out and see how people react, and then get some feedback and improve on it. But yeah, that's the Surface Forge 1.0. I hope you guys will give it a go, especially if you already got it. The upgrade is going to be free if you already bought the Surface Forge, and if you're a Patreon member, you can get access to it straight away. If not, just consider doing that. But anyway, it's been quite a journey, and I think it's it's a full workflow. It kind of defines your project, right? And I'll have plenty of examples going forward. I'll make quite a few videos of how you can apply this, and also make some material showcases of what the real power of this is once you really start putting it together. So with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and keep creating.